Yesterday, our car just clicked but won't start. We called AA hotline and we are so glad because even though it is Sunday, they are still accepting calls and offer services. They asked if what is the problem of our car and we told them that it won't start. So they told us to wait because their mechanics will go there in our location. So we just wait. After a few minutes, their mechanics came and checked our car. Sad to say it's still not starting. So, their staff called them back and told them that our car need to be towed to bring it home. So, we need to wait again. Oh, I forgot to tell you. It is free, no charge at all. Finally, the AA tow service came. Our car will be towed to our place. That man was so amazing. He was so approachable. Same as the first man who was a mechanic. Thanks so much to AA. We did not pay any, and the services was excellent. Thumbs up to them. Oh, I forgot. We took a ride in their truck and it was a great experience. We can see the view that cannot be seen while riding in our car. I will never forget that experience. Thanks so much again, and God bless everyone. Sincerely yours, DG Selfie Queen.